Hey guys, so in this video I want to just bring to your attention something that is all the rage right now in Nigeria, which is the fact that MTN Nigeria has now made available shares of the company for Nigerians to buy. Some blogs and newspaper headlines are saying that MTN is now going to become a Nigerian company. Well, technically, because if a lot of Nigerians own shares of the company, it then means that the company is now owned by Nigerians and by extension, Nigeria. This gives us opportunities to not only invest, but also control a company that is very dominant, a very huge African company that we all love and respect. Well, we have a love and hate relationship with MTN, but be that as it may, you get a chance to be a part of that company. You buy MTN credits every day, you own the SIM, you use the company. I mean, some of us hates the company, but we cannot do without it. You just have to be a part of it. Because your MTN SIM is the oldest one that you have, but now you have a chance to actually, maybe your small share that you might buy will not make you sit on the board, but you have a chance to say, I own a piece of this company, and that's something to be proud of, and it's also an investment. So that's why I'm bringing this video to you guys. So this is going to be a two-part series. So let me just show you what's going on with this whole news. So I'm on the MTN website right now, and you can see it says you can own a share of MTN today. You see, this is how to participate in the offer. You can go on the website right now. I'll leave a link in the description for you to go and check it out yourself. It says how to participate in the offer. You can use this app. It's on the App Store and the Google Play Store. You can use the primary offer app. If you click, you can see the primary offer here. And you can download the app and try to experiment and see if you can do this yourself. I'm going to do this, and then once I am able to buy some shares, and I'll come on here and show you guys how to do it. So that's what all this is about. There's another method. I think I read this before. There's supposed to be another method for you to be able to buy the shares. Okay, receiving agents to apply for shares through receiving agents or investors. Investors need to complete an application form, submit the form and all of that. I don't think I want to do it through this method. These are the things you have to download. I think the app is going to be easier, but anyways, there's another method. I got a mail from my bank, which is Wema Bank. They said you can get MTN shares at any of the bank branches, which is amazing. If you don't own a Wema Bank account, this might be a good reason for you to get one, because I have bank accounts with a good number of Nigerian banks really, but none of them have messaged me or emailed me with an email like this saying that you can buy the shares. So I think MTN is only allowing a select number of banks to actually sell the shares, and Wema Bank seems to be one of them. So it's easy. There's a video I did before where I talked about how to invest on Alert by Wema. It's easy for you to create a Wema Bank account. You don't have to go to the bank to do this. So you can check out that video or download the Alert by Wema app today and then sign up, so that when I post that video on how to get the MTN shares through Wema, you will have all you need to be able to get the share. Actually, I called a friend of mine who works with the bank and asked him all about this to tell me what's going on, how are they doing the whole thing, and he told me that he's going to get back to me, so to let me know if I can do this online, because he also got news about this as well, that the bank is also going to be selling the shares, and so he's going to get back to me. So I want to find out if this is something we can do online, so I can show you guys. I don't like the idea of going to the bank to do stuff, especially with online banking platforms, and Wema has an amazing one, which is Alert. It's a fully digital bank, so I don't see why they shouldn't add something quickly for us to be able to buy the shares on the app. So but still, I'm going to get that information. That's the reason why I decided to make this video in two parts. So watch out for that second video, which I will do everything in my power to make sure I bring it to you guys before this window closes. But even if the window closes, before the window closes, and I do not bring that video to you, I'm just bringing this onto you as quick as possible to my subscribers and my family here, for you guys to know about this if you don't already know about it. And I advise you to take this opportunity to get an MTN share. Yes, because MTN is a big company, and I do trust that they know what they're doing. They have wealth of experience. They have the financial power to keep growing. So it's a wise investment. The amount for the share is actually 169 naira per share, and they're making available 575 million shares for Nigerians to buy. You can't tell me you don't have 169 naira to buy these shares. So anybody can actually invest in this. If you're thinking, I mean, I don't have the money, it's that small. So you can just buy a bunch of these. Maybe you have 50,000 naira to invest, so you can divide that by 169 to know how many shares that can get you. If you've been taking note of the trajectory of this channel, the whole plan, the whole blueprint, you would understand that for the first phase, the first couple of months that we've started this channel, we've been basically talking about how to scale the third world fences and help you create things like PayPal accounts and Payoneer accounts so that you can be able to get money or connect with the outside world. And maybe if you're freelance, you do affiliate marketing, or you do anything online, you can get your money from your clients who are outside of the country, Nigeria, or wherever you live. Get that money into your PayPal or Payoneer accounts or that type of stuff, and then withdraw that money into your local bank account. That's the first phase. Do some housekeeping, just be ready, have your bowl ready for the rain. And then the next phase now is going to be bringing to you guys investment opportunities, ways that you can earn money online. I'm saying all of that to say that you should keep your fingers crossed. This came at an amazing time, actually. From here on, there's going to be a lot of content around how you can earn money online. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, because we do have a plan for the channel. We want to help you guys grow, leverage the internet skills that you have, skills that you may not even know that you have, opportunities that you may not even know are there for you to be able to keep scaling and growing in life generally. That's what we're about. So I think I've rambled on for too long in this video, and thank you guys if you've watched to this point. Thank you very much. If you've not joined the family, please join the family. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let's talk about this whole thing. Are you going to buy the shares? Do you want me, even if you want me not to do the video, you think this is not something for you, let me know in the comment section. If you are anticipating this, you want me to make the video and show you guys how to get the shares, also leave it in the comment section. Let's just have a chat and talk in the comment section. If you don't know this, commenting and liking videos, they actually help the algorithm notice our videos and understand that we're having fun, and then just put the videos in front of more people who would find it valuable. So please leave a comment in the comment section, like the video, subscribe if you've not already done that. How many times have I said this? Anyways, I'll see you guys hopefully before the 14th. Take care, guys. Bye. Was that good? I think it was good. Yeah, it's a wrap, y'all. It's a wrap. Peace.